Installing the Kohler Mayeko pull-down kitchen faucet. For the installation, you will need the following tools: 3/8 inch supply stop, adjustable wrench, Phillips screwdriver, bucket. This faucet contains back siphonage protection. To prevent water contamination, do not remove any internal components from this faucet. The handle can be positioned to either the right or left side of the faucet. Rotate the faucet body to reposition the handle. The handle cover is dishwasher safe and can be easily changed for a new look. To change the handle cover, gently pull up and rotate the handle cover to remove. To install the new handle cover, gently push down and rotate. If possible, for new installations, assemble the faucet to the sink before installing the sink. For single-hole sinks, slide the gasket onto the shank with the foam side facing down. Insert the faucet through the sink hole. For 3-hole sinks, thread the studs to the escutcheon. Assemble the escutcheon to the plate. Slide the gasket onto the shank with the foam side facing down. Insert the faucet through the sink hole. Thread the nuts onto the studs and hand tighten until secure. Thread the screws into the ring until they extend 1/4 inch out of the opposite side. Slide the plastic, then metal ring onto the shank. Thread the ring up the shank until it's against the underside of the sink. Position the screws to the front and back and tighten until secure. Connect and tighten the supply hoses. If the handle was repositioned to the left side, connect the hot hose to the cold water supply and the cold hose to the hot water supply. Turn on the water supplies. Run the hot and cold water for 1 minute each. This will flush any debris from the supply lines. Turn off the water supplies. To connect the spray hose, align the tabs and press the connection together until it clicks. Loosely attach the weight to the spray hose. Position the weight 2 to 3 inches from the spray hose connection and tighten securely. Pull out the spray head and check for smooth operation. Adjust the position of the weight as needed for smooth operation. Attach the soap dispenser flange. Slide the gasket on the soap dispenser shaft. Thread the nut onto the shaft and tighten until secure. Thread the soap bottle into the shaft. Fill the soap bottle with soap. Install the flat end of the tube to the pump. Insert the pump into the soap dispenser.